Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. Today we have a question sent in by John. John downloaded some baseball data. He has the whole schedule here for a particular team and basically downloaded this from the web and wants to do some calculations with it now. First question he asked was, he said, hey, we have this column over here, the opponent, and if it was an away game, we have an @ sign. If it was not, it just starts with the opponent. How can I figure out a column to break out the home versus the away games? And so that's fairly simple. It's an equal if function. So equal if the leftmost character of cell C2, comma 1 is equal to, and then in quotes, an @ sign. Then we'll say that it's away, so I'll put that in quotes. Otherwise, say that it's home, closing parentheses, and copy that down. And you'll see that we should have a nice string now of either home or away. Then the next thing that John wanted to know, and this was a little bit more difficult, he said, hey, I want to keep track of streaks. You know, what's the current win streak or the current loss streak? And so basically what we're going to do is we'll just start out, we'll say that they started out with a 1-game win streak. And then it's a matter of looking over at column F. So equal if there was a win today, so if column F is equal to 1, then we're going to add 1 to the current streak. So 1 plus the number right above me. Otherwise, we get reset back to 0. And when I copy that down, what we should see is that we will build up. So here there was a 6-game win streak. And if you look at any particular date, then as of that date, they were in a 4-game win streak, a 5-game win streak, and a 6-game win streak. We should be able to just copy that formula right over to the loss streak. Let's check and make sure that everything worked. Yes, so now we're looking at column G instead of column F and adding the number right above us. Copy that formula down, just double click the fill handle, and we should be able to go through and see how many games the current streak either winning or losing is on any given day. So thanks to John for sending in that question, and thanks to you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.